Hey guys, welcome back to Dutton Vlogs, guys. And today is a very special day, guys, for my channel and for myself, really. I have been asked by Nintendo UK Labo to film for their new game. It's a Nintendo Toy Con Labo game. It's basically what a Toy Con is. I'll just show you a quick clip of what it is.
To compare with pure imagination, living there you'll be free. If you truly wish to be.
And as you just saw there are loads of stuff. But I'm going to be working with the motorbike one, because my channel is, I'm mainly about motorbike. So we're going to be doing the motorbike ones. So we're just about to head off now to Mildenhall, guys, to go film an ad. I cannot wait, guys, and I'll update you guys throughout the day. So yeah. And look in the garage, guys. None of the bikes are in here. They're all loaded up in the van, ready to go. So, I'd like to give a massive shout out to RFX for hooking us up with some motocross kit. Nintendo presenters, I'm going to be teaching them how to ride a motorbike, and none of them have no kit or nothing, so RFX have picked us up with some kit to be riding with today. So, won't be unboxing it now because it'll be quite tricky to do that in a van, so we'll be doing it as soon as we get there. But we are going to be riding at Mildenhall. So if you've been with my channel for quite a while, you will remember the track Mildenhall. Mildenhall MX is like such a cool track, guys. I've been riding there now for years and years, and yeah, let's go there. And I'll be picking up the vlog when we get there. Guys, the delivery RFX has actually sent us is actually insane, guys. They've sent us brand new bell helmet, sort of fly boots. Let's get the box out. And brand new set of 7 kit. I find that kit so trick, that 7, it looks like Halloween, winter stuff. Yeah. Let me show you the bell helmet. This is bell helmet, guys. This is actually so trick. For the moment, just unloading all the bikes out. Got Bucci, Alex's Bucci, my 85, and my KLX 110. Right, guys, so I'm just about to get my kit on. So all in my dress and my kit now, and we're just about to go out for the first practice run.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Right, so just got back in now for just first go around there. It is so much fun, guys. The track is awesome, and it's just so cool. We've had like microphones into my helmet and speaking into when I'm going around. It's just such a cool experience, guys. The AT's riding really good. Got all proper camera crew here. Look, big proper cameras. It is just sick. I know you're going to be saying the AT's small for me. I know I'm getting a 125 soon. Just get ready for that. The track here is so sandy. It is so cool. It's probably my favourite condition, riding really sand. It's not really sand. I don't know. It's like riding sort of on a beach sort of thing. It's just sick. So at the moment, Frankie and Nims are filming GoPro just over around the corner, so don't get in the way. But yeah, just waiting for my bit. Look, the track is actually sick. Little old Supercross track here, apparently it was. No, it's just like mounds and stuff. It's a really tricky track. Can't thank Nintendo enough. UK. It's been such a fun day so far, having so much fun. Yeah, it's about my go-to film in a bit. Weather is looking absolutely perfect for today. Quite excited to film. Just getting all ready, and yeah, just about to get mic'd all up.
I had one friend who was like, even bacon. I was like,
test that kind of willy.
yeah. We're expecting it now. We come at the end of the scene. Hello. But then all of a sudden you get ready, set, ready to go for one.
Yep.
Set.
Don't even know who he is yet.
You need a first thing.
Oh yeah, no, we're trying to get
Okay. What is this motorbike thing and all the rest?
Yeah.
Labo is my.
As you saw Frankie and Nim doing one of the scenes, just for a quick bit, then it is me next. So excited. Track's in prime condition. All the microphone attached to me, getting ready. Got him.
That's what I do with these guys, Jip. You know, that's the problem. Oh, God. Do my knuckles.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back. I want you, hit you up. I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off. I came your way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged. The pheromones hit the roof. Auto your taste. Is there really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why your gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
Hey guys.
that was awesome.
Yeah.
Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between.
So at the moment, just about to get ready now to head out for a race. You've just seen me do a quick bit, I was just riding around. Then I was doing like this script sort of thing. So just getting all the cameras ready on bikes. Then yeah, should be ready to head out for me and Nim's race. He's just getting ready. Then we should be able to go. Then we should be okay to start racing. And after that, they're coming to our house. We're going to be playing the Nintendo Labo, and that is going to be great fun. I cannot wait to have a go on one of them. Just sat here, Nim's just getting his final bit of training in, just waiting for him. And yeah.
3 minutes on your time or something. A day. How about 24 hours? Just step back to the edge of there.
Yeah.
We all take a step back as well.
Just finished my bit of filming, ripping the 85 around the track. It's so much fun, guys. They're just getting ready for him to go off the 110. But yeah, having great fun at the moment. It's getting quite late, not too sure what the time is. Then we should be heading back home very soon to have a go on the Nintendo Labo. We're just leaving now, just going to the van, getting unchanged. I think we're sort of like racing against time at the moment. So off on the way home now, and I'll pick it up when we get straight back to the house. Right, so we've just got home now, they're all turning up. We're going to be filming, playing the Nintendo Labo in the lounge, or the lounge. So that's what we're doing at the moment. Just need to make a quick toilet break.
Then, okay, so we'll just do time trial. This is a test drive.
Between the lines underneath your bed sheets, it started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective?
Yeah.
You need to film now. They were
Yeah.
the lounge back.
Yeah, okay. No, because they said they'll send me some footage. So, just got back the lounge back to how it was, because we've actually just finished filming, but I accidentally left my camera off, but hopefully they might send me some video clips, they said. Just cleaning all up and unloading the van, putting all the bikes back into the race base.
Hello.
This is the one who made it all happen.
Not really. This is mainly him, the one behind camera. And your mum makes very good coffee. And tea. So yeah.
So yeah, garage is all empty, so I need to get everything out of the van.
I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I lost you.
So it's now the end of an awesome day. It's probably going to be one of a day to remember throughout my whole life. It has been such an honour making an awesome video with Nintendo Labo. It's just been so much fun, guys, and make sure you do check out the game, the Labo kit. It'll be down in the descriptions. And guys, if you do want to watch the actual video, the video will be right here, guys. So I really hope you've enjoyed today's video, guys. Make sure you check out the video, guys. And remember, keep ripping, keep riding, like, share and subscribe. So yeah.